Episode 33. How to build skill.
Hello, my dear friends. I have been explaining to you that all of us have talent, and the platform in which we are there, it is our responsibility to showcase our talent, for which knowledge and skill are very, very important. In the next few episodes, I am going to discuss the concept of skill set, and how we should take personal responsibility for developing our skill set. The dictionary meaning of the word skill is the ability to do something well. It is our expertise. Skill is the learned ability to carry out a task with a predetermined result within a given amount of time, energy, resource, or all of them. When we get to our first job, basically the job is given for our qualification, and in the interview, the interviewer assesses whether we have the ability to perform our responsibility if the job is offered to us. That's all. With that, the responsibility of the company is over. Job is different, career is different. It is up to us to decide how we want to convert our job into career. The salary raise, the perquisites, the promotion, and all the benefits that go with the job are directly related to the quality of skill, the quantity of skill, and how rare is our skill. The difference between job and career is very, very important. The ability to get a job is different. The ability to build a career is different. In a half an hour interview, it is very easy to convince the interviewer that we have the ability to get the job. But getting the job is not the end in itself. The end is making the job as an entry point and proving our worth to the society, that we are worth the investment the company is making on us. We should also distinguish between the two words, employment and employability. Employment is getting a job. Employability is different. If you divide the word employability, you will find employability. The ability to get ourselves employed. Supposing you resign your job today, will you be able to get a job the next day with a much higher salary? Or will you be able to get a job much lower salary, or not able to get a job at all? This depends upon your marketability, your ability to market yourself. Marketing comes only when you prove that your time is a marketable commodity. You have a commercial value for your time. There is nothing to feel shy. There is nothing to feel ashamed of marketing our time. After all, everything that we purchase has a commercial value. When you are willing to pay money for a computer, there is a range. A lower end computer will be able to produce certain results which cannot be used for some other job. We can divide the skill into various categories. One is called domain general skill. The second one is domain specific. Domain general is that skill which is required to do any job. For example, the ability to manage your time, the ability to build a team, the ability to lead a team, the ability to motivate ourselves and motivate others around us. Domain specific skills are those skills required to do a specific job very well. For example, welding, swimming, bowling, skating, turning, jumping, singing. You can also divide the skills into general skills and technical skills. General skills consist of people management skills. To advance in career, at the entry point, you need more of technical skills. As you go up the organization, you need more of people management skill. The quality and the quantity of these skills will decide how much you are worth for the organization which employs you. Before I conclude this episode, I want to recall an old story I read somewhere. An organization imported a very costly machine. This machine was very critical for the manufacturing operation of the organization. One day, the machine stopped working and broke down. The company deployed its engineers to fix the machine, but it was not done. Ultimately, the company informed the manufacturer, who sent the expert technician to set the machine right. He flew in an executive class, he stayed in a 5-star hotel, and then he came to the mission and examined it. After a few hours, he asked for a small hammer. He tapped the mission at a particular spot with the hammer, and a few minutes later, the mission started working. The technician left. A few weeks later, this company got an invoice from the mission manufacturer for about $10,000. The company executives are shocked. The MD said, "Why? Just for making 3 taps of the mission, why should I give $10,000? And they sent an email asking the supplier company to give the breakup. And the company got a breakup to identify where to tap $9,999 to tap $1. We'll discuss more about skill in the few episodes to follow.
முறையில் தெளிவாய் கற்க நீ வா கல்வியோடு கலைகள் அனைத்தும் எளிதாய் கற்க நீ வா ABS விண்ணை தோட தன்னை தரும் ABS வெற்றி தரும் மார்க்கம் ABS சுற்றும் உலகின் உச்சம் காட்டும் ABS வித்யாலயா.
தரமான மெட்ரிக் பாடத்திட்டத்துடன் ABS வித்யாலயா திருவள்ளூர்.
Vidya